What's up, y'all? We live, back. Everyone's favorite new show on the internet, Heroes Journeys. Back on the studio, back in the lab. Too much action today, y'all. There's already been a shit ton of action. It's only 11 a.m. Let's see what we got going on here. We got a little Travis, little tree beats. We got a little here. What is this song called? Horsepower Shuffle. Horsepower Shuffle. This is a cool kind of house song. How's everyone doing out there in the world? Yo, I wrote down some topics actually today. Wrote down a few topics. What's up, Paulie? How you doing, man? We got Paul is chilling. Paul's the man in Tahoe. Shreds it. We gotta get this coffee going. Today's points we're gonna discuss are we're gonna do a surf check. Paul says, "Yo, Trav, how you been?" Been good, man. Been good. You know, just living in Venice still. Living in LA. Just surfing, trying to get up to Bear and Summit, Tahoe every now and then. There's the Icelander. Good, man. Just creating a lot of projects, working out. It's good. Very, very blessed. How about you? Bless him. Guys, this is going to be, and also, Paul, we're going to do a wave check here in a sec. We're going to see how the waves are. Kind of bummed because the waves are good. We actually had an incident. Someone, Will and Aaron, if you're there, someone kind of, not broken our garage, but got in our garage somehow. Nothing was taken, but now this whole issue, we got to lock the garage another way, and it's a big pain in the butt. So I spent an hour dealing with that, which was fun. But luckily we have, shout out Linda. We got a whole crew down there helping out. This lighting is looking fantastic. Wow. This is looking fantastic. Paul says, "Hell yeah, bro. Good to hear. I've been well, just living." Cool, man. Cool. Are you doing van life, Paul? I might have seen you in a van, or your girl has a van, and are you in the van as well? Shout out Dave 2D Dave 2D. You ever watch Dave 2D? Paul, he has a funny YouTube channel. He used to do van life, and he would kind of do van life roasts. He would kind of roast people that would do van life. It was pretty funny. Dave 2D on YouTube. He bought a house though. It's in bumfuck South Dakota or something, or Michigan, and it's already snowing. But he was doing van life for a while. We're gonna check the waves, y'all. The goal is get this under 15, but we're gonna see what happens. We're gonna see what happens. The live wave check. I'll write down some notes. Live wave check, and oh yeah, I gotta shout out my YouTube, Travis Varga, y'all, on my YouTube. I gotta get more followers, y'all. It's pathetic. I get no views. I got no followers. I've had my YouTube for 10 years. Please, Travis Varga on YouTube. This is a lame. Please subscribe, follow me, please. I need at least get up to 100. It's pathetic. I can't monetize my YouTube unless I get more views too. So come on, hook it up. YouTube, Travis Varga, go be my friend, please. All right, we got some chat. We got to catch up on the chat here. Alex says, "Live Trav video during my Mexican Las Palmas lunch. Can't beat that. Chimichanga with the side." You're right. You can't beat that, dude. You cannot beat that. That's epic. Paul says, "My girl has a van that we cruise around. Super fun. I'm gonna have to check the guy out. Sounds awesome." He's funny. Yeah, Dave 2D. There's these big van channels like Eamon and Beck, or what was the other one? Sabrina and Jimmy. It's just super funny, dude. He's hilarious. Yeah, Paul, that's sick. I'm glad the cruise around in a van's going good. I did my van time in New Zealand. I had a good amount of van life, and Australia. Good amount of van life. To be honest, I think I'm a little vanned out. I'm kind of spoiled now. I just really enjoy civilization. And van life is great. You just, at times you're trying to find a parking lot at 9-10 p.m. You're not going to get kicked out of. So that's, sometimes it can end up being kind of a pain, but those awesome moments where you're chilling on a cliff watching the ocean, drinking coffee or a beer about to crash, you can't beat those. So it's it's a toss up. But Dave 2D is funny because he kind of it is on a lot of van people will make it look super glamorous and that it's the best ever, but there's a lot of things that you got to worry about and that are kind of a shit show. but and he kind of exposes like that it isn't all just peaches and pears van life. As is any life, you know, any life as it's portrayed on the internet isn't the same as you know, real life. Alright, y'all, let's see this wave check. Paul, thanks for coming in, dude. Alex, thank you. You guys are awesome. I'm going to town in a few weeks with my dad. Maybe we can try to meet up if possible. I'm trying to meet up with Morski. Shout out you, Morski. We'll have to shred here. Alright, let's see a surf line check. I should be somewhere surfing sick waves right now. This whole morning thing kind of messed me up. Okay, Malibu's kind of flat. There could be hope. To be honest, y'all, I just want to surf small, chill waves today. God, Ventura's going off again. I mean, it's great, but... Oh, wait, another beautiful, crisp morning with clean... minutes just ahead. So, Ventura today is Wednesday, January 13th. Ventura is 4 to 7, fair to good. Jeez Louise. So, it's absolutely firing. What are the tides? Let's see here. Let's see if we can get this cam on this Sony. So we have Ventura, we got fair to good. It looks looking good out there, y'all. I want to be kind of lazy today, then I was hoping just to get a session out front in my Venice land. Let's see. Looks a little sluggy or something. It is because it's high tides at 8:49. It's kind of high tidey. I don't know. It looks fun, but I don't think I'm missing out terribly much. So let's just do a quick Venice check. Because that's where I would like to just get a quick wet. We got these issues now with our garage where I don't want to move my car. So let's see. Venice Beach. 3 to 5 waist to chest. Low tides at 3:56. Come on, surf line. Okay, we're checking Venice. Let's see what we got here. Y'all. You got any action? I'm not seeing much action. I would not mind just cruising. I'm beat up. I need to hit a good stretch today too. I need a good stretch. I'm beat up. Is the Sony focusing? What are you doing, Sony? What the hell is this thing doing? One sec, y'all. I apologize. This is like... What is this thing fucking doing? Alright, this is not working well. Let's show the iPhone. There we go. So we got a little something out here. I need to re-figure out this... There we go. I need to figure out some of these controls on the Sony. I've been lagging. Looks fun, guys. It's 3 to 4, occasional 5 at Venice. I'll probably end up just doing a nice little sesh out there. Got some editing I gotta do. We got a couple new travelogues that gotta get out to the public. Oh, we didn't really get a good first couple coffee sips. Let's... Alright, luckily, y'all, it's not looking that good at all. Which, I mean, I've been scoring so many good waves, not to brag. But I just want to get wet. Oh, here we go. We got a set coming in here. Let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens. Here it is. Here it comes. Oh, what is it going on? Is it gonna break? Is it not gonna break? It is. Alright, that guy ate it. Let's do another check. Let's check out Tabanga. Oh, there he is. We got long sleeve tee in the building. El Porto, 4 to 7, fair to good. Alright, it's kind of going off at Manhattan Beach. And they're saying a few good corners to track down. Rest of the day outlook for LA surf-wise is we should see a better window Late morning into midday as the tide turns around, drops to an eventful negative 1.4 low at 4 p.m. Okay. Surf heights mostly hold today, occasional bigger sets. Some west wind developing, but the bigger issue will be that drain low tide walled surf. That's the worst. Walled surf. Walled surf's the worst. Long sleeve T says Paul Benny in the building? What a star. Yep, we're popping in here, T. We're popping. And then there's a little building. Yeah, for sure, we're popping. Let me comment. Popping. See, I don't know if we're gonna keep this under 15. We might, y'all, just to like not have to do a bunch of nonsense. And I really got stuff I gotta catch up on. We can see El Porto is kind of going off, but it's doing that thing where it is a little blown out and crazy. So, I don't know. I don't feel like serving closeouts right now. There's actually been so many waves lately that it's been like hard to find places that aren't just huge and gnarly or closing out. Unless it's a point break and then it's crowded as crap. Tyler, what are you up to? It looks pretty good there. I'm thinking though today's just gonna be a little Venice breakwater session. Here we go. Look at this. Here we go. Oh, look at that. Ooh. Ooh. That was a little something. There's some good little. That was a little fun little wave. So I'll probably Varga board it there. That'll be the plan. Tyler says, working, Poppy, just stopping in. Cool, brother. Well, thanks for stopping by. Just wanted to knock out a quick one. I do want to do, the longer formats as well. I'm just super behind on edits, so I want to kind of knock some of those out. And it's funny too, y'all. I'm gonna curse a little bit. I got this from another person. So I stole this idea, but you only have so many fucks to give in a day. You only have so much care and so much energy to expel every day. So, like today when I woke up and I was, I had all this ready to go. I was about to shoot and then had to go, outside to deal with some garage door issues. That took 30 minutes, an hour. Now it's, 11:15, and I'm pushed back and I'm all frazzled. And yeah, so it's funny how you don't, and if your whole day consists of that, like your whole day consists of, checking the email or, I got a notification. That's why on your phone, I would suggest to shut off all notifications, because then all day long, all you're doing is responding to notifications like I did this morning with the garage. I responded to a notification of me. So if your phone all day, you're getting notifications, you're just checking them all day, it throws you off your little path of the day, and your fucks are draining. You have 100 fucks, and you only have 80 fucks, then you have 60 fucks. It's getting lower and lower and lower until eventually you have none. It's 4 p.m., you haven't done anything. So, holding on to your the fucks is important to try to just make sure you're going to accomplish your goals and your dreams. The more you know. Yeah, guys, we're going to keep us under 15 just to make it easier on the upload. Studio is popping again. I'm really liking these not new, I've had these forever, but I'm kind of like lighting from my back a bunch too, and it creates kind of more of a three-dimensional effect. And then if I have more of a telephoto, get that background blur. And I like this look. I thought the 28 was too close and there was too much black background blur, but when you look at this on the final cut, it looks kind of cool, and you can still tell what stuff is. It just adds a little mystique. Yeah, y'all. We're out here, Tyler, Paul, Alex, thanks for stopping by. Enjoy your day and your week. Peace.